In front of me is Nokia G42, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Firstly, just go into settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then tap on About Phone at the bottom. Following that, tap on Device Name section and type in wherever you wish to. In my case, Sunny. When you are ready, hit OK in Device Name pop-up and confirm your choice by tapping on OK in the other one, About Visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my Nokia has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!